The day has come. Oh my goodness, we're at Mahoosic Notch. You notice how it says Mahoosic Notch arrow, no mileage? That's it down there. So we got Juju with us, or here with us. We got Red Feather. Red Feather is the trail whisperer. We're gonna probably be a little behind him. He will show us the way. He'll probably put his ear to the ground. Go that way. So he knows what's up. But anyway, yeah, no pressure. There's the Mahoosic Notch, which it looks kind of tame at the beginning, but I think it gets really hairy. So this is a famous, iconic, or infamous, if you want to look at it that way, iconic portion of the trail. It's about a mile long. Yes, it's the hardest mile of the Appalachian Trail, and then it's comma or the funnest mile. So you have to choose. We are going to take our sweet time. We're going to make it as fun as we can. There it is there, but it's not hard yet, so I don't want to speak too soon. But anyway, we're starting the Mahoosic Notch. This will probably be, as I fall down, just kidding. This will probably be the first of like 5 videos in the Mahoosic Notch and arm. So, love you, rocker. Hope you're having fun. If you don't see another video for quite a while, just know that my body is somewhere at the bottom of the Mahoosic Notch. All right, love you.